everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project Paradigm Anantara by Paradigm Realty located in Borivali West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, and towards my left you can also see the actual land parcel of the project where the construction is in full swing. You can also see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this video, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, internal and external amenities, master plan, floor plan, carpet area analysis, parking, possession, maintenance, pros and cons and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housing. Housing is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housing is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housing. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1.5 acres that has one tower with ground, 11 podium and 31 floors, having 3 BHK, Jodi, duplex and triplex residences. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near New Link Road, Shimpoli, Borivali West, from where Shimpoli metro station is only at a distance of 550 meters, D-Mart is only at a distance of 1.5 kilometers and Borivali station is only at a distance of 1.9 kilometers from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, in internal amenities, you will be getting 11 feet floor to ceiling height, a 360-degree open view. You will also get a walk-in wardrobe, and also the apartment will be beamless so that you can customize your own apartment by your choice. You will also be getting anti-skid tiles and sanitary fittings in the washroom. Granite kitchen platforms and stainless steel sink in the kitchen, and Vetrafat tiles in the whole apartment. And now, talking about the external amenities, in this project you will be getting 35 plus amenities. As you can see in the model, you will be getting infinity swimming pool, open banquet hall, gym, multi-purpose hall, mini theatre, guest room and Ghar Dirasar in the project. And now, talking about the parking part, this project has podium ramp parking facilities. And now, let's have a look at the master plan analysis. With 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1137 and 1240 square feet and Jodi option in the carpet area of 1632 square feet. Let's now have a look at the floor plan. As you can see in the image, this is the typical floor plan, with each floor having 8 flats, 5 lifts and 2 staircases in each floor. And now let's have a look at the unit plans. As you can see in the image, this is the unit plan of 3 BHK of 1137 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK of 1240 square feet. This is the unit plan of Jodi option of 1632 square feet. And this is the unit plan of Jodi option of 2533 square feet. And now, talking about the maintenance varies with configuration, with 3 BHK maintenance ranging between 17,000 to 18,000 per month. Talking about the possession, the RERA possession date for the project is of December 2027, but the target possession is for December 2026. Also, talking about the pros and cons of the project, for that you can visit our website www.housing.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project Paradigm Anantara by Paradigm Realty located in Borivali West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housing.